Hey guys, KittyLove47 here and welcome back to another video. And today, as you can see by the title, I'm gonna show you guys how to make your own intro for your YouTube channel. So I'm gonna start now. So if you want to download the app, make sure to go to the Google App Store and search for apps and games and search intro maker. So you search and then you're gonna press this one, intro maker for YouTube. This one, music intro video editor. So I use this one for my intro and it's very good. It also can make, you can create your own outro also. So yeah, so it's very useful for those who are out there want to be a YouTuber. So after you download it, I already downloaded it. So after you download it, you open it. There you go. It's loading. Why it takes so slow to load? Okay, so look, there's a lots of intro and also outro at here. There's a lot of outro. There you go. So I currently using this one, the blue one, and I think it looks cool. So yeah, there's a lots of intro here, like the popular one. Now if you have a gaming channel, you use this for the intro, and also a cute one or the glitch and all kinds of intro. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys how to use it too, because I think you guys, some of you guys using this app and some you guys don't. So I'm gonna show you guys how to do it for an example. So some of them you need to pay for you to get a high OP, like this one, 10x0p 3.52M. You need to unlock this by buying it. I think yes, you need to buy it. So yeah, so we don't need that for now. I think I'm gonna use this one. Oh no, it's also need to pay. Okay, I think, is it this one we can use? There we go. So you need to download it. You go, if you get straight to your intro and you press play, you just need to put a name and your subtitle and a song to put it on in the intro. So firstly we're gonna do is a title. So I think the title should put a name on it. So I just gonna put name. Yeah, I'm just gonna put name. I don't want to, because it's just an example. I don't want it to use of my intro. There we go. I'm just gonna do it like this, and then the subtitle, and I'm gonna type subscribe to me, please. So guys, please subscribe to me if you enjoy this video. Okay, so there we go, you're done. Wait, there we go. Sorry, wait, is it work? I think it's work. No, it's too long. I think it's too long. So let me make it so that you can see. There we go. There we go. Oh no, I think I messed it up. Okay, there we go. Name. Then like this. Then subscribe to me, please. Please, guys, subscribe. And title. I just gonna write the title for today's episode, to today's video. So I think I'm gonna put how to make your own intro. There you go, just like that. I think it's too long. Yeah, I think it's too long. Wait. It's this guy. No, we're just gonna remove that. just like that. There we go. Wait, let's start it over. So subscribe to me, please guys, subscribe to me. And then title, I'm just gonna say hello. There we go. And then the subtitle, I'm gonna put hope you enjoy. By the way guys, if you enjoyed this video, hit that like button so I will know if you guys like my videos. Yeah, so yeah, just like or subscribe on my videos, and you will have a great day. So yeah, so there we go. I think just like that. I'm gonna put a song. So then if you want to put a song, make sure you press the middle and at the bottom of your phone. There we go. You have lot of song like this: intro, dynamite, cinematic, fresh, pop, vlog, travel, and much more. So I think I'm gonna choose the cheerful one. Okay, so let's hear one by one. So let's see. Okay, no, I don't like it. No. I think this is good. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to download it, and then you press this, and then you edit the song. There you go. There we go, just like that. It's easy. And then when you're done, you're gonna press the tick arrow. There you go. It's gonna be like this. There we go. So if you want to export this intro, you're gonna press the tick, and then it will load. I'm just gonna wait. It takes for about like 50 or 60 seconds. There we go. Wait, there's ads. Okay, there we go. It's done. So yeah, you can go back, and you press this button right at the bottom of your phone, the second one, and there we go. That is your own intro. So if you want to make your outro, it's the same as intro. You just have to make the title, make the name, or put the song in there and export it just like that. So I think this app is the most easiest making intro app that I ever use it for my videos. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit that like button to show your support, and if you haven't subscribed to me yet, please subscribe and turn on notification on the bell so you never miss another video. So yeah, I see you guys next time. Bye.